Hello everyone, do you forget the words while speaking? Do you forget the sentences while speaking? The words are not coming to your mind while you are speaking in English. So you are at the right place, because I also used to face this issue. I also used to struggle a lot for this, and I will be telling the practical tips for you so that you guys can also speak very good English and learn English without spending a single rupee at home. You don't need to go outside for learning English. I will be sharing all the practical tips with you guys, so stay tuned with me. At the end of the video I will be telling all about me, and with this I will share my personal journey, because I also have been through this journey. Only because of this reason I am able to speak very good English. So without any further delay, let's get started. So guys, tip number 1, that is learn everyday life vocabulary. Learn at least 5 to 10 vocabularies every day, and use those vocabulary in the sentences while you are talking with yourself or talking in front of the mirror. Just use those vocabulary every day. Only this is how it will help you to overcome the fear of English speaking and overcome hesitation problem. Also with that you will be able to speak very good English without forgetting a single word. So learn 5 to 10 vocabulary every day. And here, what do you have to learn in vocabularies? You just have to learn daily use common vocabulary that you guys can use literally speaking. When you are going to learn these vocabulary every day, and if you are able to use those vocabulary in your day-to-day life conversation easily, so you are going to learn this language. There is no one who can stop you to speak very good English. You don't need to learn hypothetic. Actually, you don't need to learn hyper vocabularies. Those are not in use when you are going to speak. So please learn everyday life. Those are very common for you to use. Those can be cooking vocabulary, those can be study vocabulary, field vocabulary, like when you are going to play something. So these kinds of vocabulary you guys have to learn so that you can use those vocabulary. Guys, tip number 2 is use filler words. What are the filler words? Like when you are struggling a lot while speaking, when you forget the words, forget the sentences, you just have to use these words. What are the filler words? I'm going to give you the filler words, like let me think. These kinds of words you can use when you are stuck somewhere. जैसे कि मैं कुछ बोल रहा हूँ, किसी से बात कर रहा हूँ और मैं भूल जाता हूँ, तो हम यहाँ पर क्या यूज कर सकते हैं? Let me think. इस तरीके से you guys can speak. You guys can use these words when you are stuck in the mid conversation, when you are talking with someone, and you you have forgotten the words. So you guys can use these filler words. It will give you kind of energy to speak again. It will give you the break that you will be able to think some other words in this break while you are using these words. I know, let me think, these kinds of words. Okay guys, you know why do we use filler words? जब हम कोई सेंटेंस बोल रहे होते हैं, जब हम बात कर रहे होते हैं, कन्वर्सेशन कर रहे होते हैं, और हम कुछ भूल जाते हैं बीच में, तो हम इन सबको बोलकर थोड़ा सा सोच लेते हैं. सो इसके लिए आपको ये टेक्निक यूज करनी है. सो दिस वाज द टिप नंबर 2. लेट्स टेक टिप नंबर 3. टिप नंबर 3 इज डेली प्रैक्टिस. You have to do practice every day. You can talk to yourself. And you can use mirror in front of the mirror. You just have to put the mirror in front of you and try to speak as much as you are able to speak, as much as possible. Try to speak. Only this is how you guys will be able to speak, because guys, I am relating your journey to myself, because I also have passed, I also have gone through in this journey, in this process. Guys, this is just a part of the process. Don't worry if you are unable to speak, if you are unable to think in English, if you are just forgetting the words. Don't worry. Just one thing is really important in your journey, that is practice. Practice every day. This is how you guys will be able to speak very good English, because for learning English, practice is very important. Because for learning speaking English, spoken English, practice is must. Practice is very important, and let me tell you, practice makes man perfect. Practice makes man perfect, because without practice, how can you be successful in your career? Without practice, how can you be perfect in a particular thing, in a particular category? So practice करनी है आपको. आप मिरर के सामने कर सकते हैं. आपको you don't need to go outside for talking with anyone, because the people are horrific. People are very, very horrific. They will make your fun. They will make you fun if you are going to speak in front of them. If you are very, fearful about public speaking, don't go outside. You just have to use mirror. You can record yourself in front of you. You just have to put your mobile phone camera and try to speak as much as possible. Guys, आप समझ रहे हैं ना, आपको बाहर नहीं जाना है इसके लिए. मैं अपनी जर्नी से रिलेट कर सकता हूँ इसको, क्योंकि मैंने जब स्टार्ट किया था, व्हेन आई वाज बिगिनर, आई आल्सो यूज्ड टू फेस दीज problems. These are very, very basic problems. This is just a process, and whenever anyone is going to learn this language, they will definitely face this issue. They will definitely face this. Is the very, very common issue. Very, very common problem. So don't worry about it. Don't worry. Just practice. आपको क्या करना है? बाहर नहीं जाना है प्रैक्टिस करने के लिए. आप घर पर प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं. If you have good friends, if you can talk with anyone who is not making fun of you, so you can talk. This is a very good thing. This is a very good thing. This is you are lucky if you have some friends, some good friends, some supportive friends. You are lucky, guys. You are lucky. So practice is the only thing by which you guys can speak very good English. By using this, you guys will be able to speak very, very, very good English. Okay, so let's come to the next tip. Guys, tip number 4, that is think in English. Start thinking in English. Everybody is facing this issue. Why everybody is unable to speak good English? Because they are just translating from their native language to English language. Only because of this reason, they are taking too much time to learn this language. They are taking too much time, and they are just forgetting the words while speaking, because they are just thinking. So for thinking, your mind is taking time. If you don't want to translate from, if you don't want to forget the words, so stop translating. So but the question is how to think in English. How can you guys start thinking in English? This is very, very common question. So here comes the listening practice. Listening practice will boost your confidence level, will boost your vocabulary, will boost your sentences, learning grammatical things. Also, you just have to listen to the things only in English language. You guys don't have to listen those videos. Those are talking Hindi to English. You don't have to listen those videos. Please guys, you just have to listen those videos like they are just talking only in English language. Like Alina Rice, Lingua Marina, English with Lucy. There are many YouTube channels in which you guys can go. Not only English channels, but also if you are watching any vlogs, but those vlogs must be in English language. Those can be English related content, but it can be anything from A to Z content. Just watch everything in English language. It will give you the words, the sentences. Believe me guys, if you have practiced a lot, practiced listening the things a lot, so you would realize that there are many things, those are coming to your mind while speaking. There are many sentences, there are many vocabularies, those are automatically coming to your mind when you are going to speak with anyone, with someone. जब आप बहुत ज़्यादा लिसनिंग प्रैक्टिस कर लेते हैं ऑलरेडी, तो आपके माइंड में बहुत सारे वर्ड्स है ना, सेंटेंसेस है, फिक्स हो जाते हैं. और जब आप स्पीकिंग करते हैं तो वो यार ऑटोमेटिकली आते हैं. ये यार है, प्रैक्टिस करने से होता है ये मैंने देखा है. मैंने 30 दिनों 30 डेज फ्रेजिश चैलेंज आपके लिए अपलोड किया ना. मुझे पहले इतने ज़्यादा याद नहीं थे, बट नाउ आफ्टर मैनी डेज दे आर कमिंग टू माई माइंड, दे आर कमिंग ऑटोमेटिकली. सो मेरा माइंड रात में जब मैं सो रहा होता हूँ तो ये सारी चीज़ें चल रही होती हैं, क्योंकि मैंने इसमें बहुत ज़्यादा समय दिया है, मैंने बहुत प्रैक्टिस की है. क्योंकि एक बार मैं when I had to upload phrases challenge video, so firstly I used to note down those phrases, I used to write the examples, and after that I used to make videos. So after that, after making video, I used to edit that video. So 3-4 बार हो जाता था ऐसे ही करके. 3-4 बार हो गया तो कितनी प्रैक्टिस हो गई. लिसनिंग भी हो गई, राइटिंग भी हो गई, और उसके बाद वीडियो भी देख लिया. तो कितना हो गया, कितनी प्रैक्टिस हो गई. इसके वजह से वो सारी जो वोकेबलरी है ना मेरे माइंड में चलती रहती है. तो इस तरीके से हेल्प करती है लिसनिंग और स्पीकिंग प्रैक्टिस, इस तरीके से हेल्प करती है. Only this is how you will be able to speak very good English. So this is the tip number 4. Guys, last tip is use synonyms. When you're forgetting the words, synonyms will give you a kind of chance to continue your conversation. If you have if you have one particular meaning in different ways, so you can speak in different times, different meanings. If you are forgetting the words while you are talking, you can use another meaning of that particular meaning. Like synonyms यूज कर सकते हैं. synonyms का मतलब भी कुछ लोगों को पता नहीं होगा, तो आई एम गोइंग टू टेल इट इन हिंदी लैंग्वेज. synonyms का मतलब होता है कि समानार्थी शब्द. जैसे कि मैंने बोला मेरा नाम है, माय नेम इज आदित्य. आदित्य का जैसे मैं हिंदी में बता रहा हूँ, आदित्य का मतलब सूर्य भी होता है. सो आदित्य की जगह हम सूर्य भी बोल सकते हैं. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड सिनोनिम. ओके, तो सिनोनिम्स वर्ड्स याद कर सकते हो आप लोग और उसको यूज कर सकते हो वेल यू आर जस्ट स्ट्रगलिंग अ लॉट. जैसे कि सॉइल के लिए हम वो किले भी यूज करते हैं, बट बहुत ज्यादा डिफरेंस है. सॉइल कई अदर जगहों में उपयोग किया जाता है, लेकिन जो किले होती है कई अदर प्लेसेस में ग्रामेटिकल एरर हो सकता है. बट डोंट वरी अबाउट दिस एरर. आप शुरुआत में करेंगे, धीरे धीरे आप समझ जाएंगे. इफ यू आर मेकिंग these mistakes, don't worry, the mistakes are the part of your journey. तो synonyms आप यूज कर सकते हैं without hesitating at all. Okay, so these were 5 tips that I have talking about in this video. So don't worry if you are unable to speak good English. Just practice every day. Just give enough time. Don't break your consistency. Be consistent in your learning journey only because of this reason. Only this is how you guys will be able to speak very good English without without translating, without forgetting any single word. These were 5 practical tips that I have told in this video. These were very, very common. I also have passed through this journey. I also have gone through. Only because of this reason I am telling from my heart. I am not just speaking lie, I am speaking the truth. This is the reality. Only because of these 5 tips I am here. I am speaking very, very good English. So guys, be continue in your journey, be consistent, be disciplined. You will definitely be able to speak very good English. And don't worry about the people will definitely make fun of you when you are going to speak in front of them. This is also a fact. क्या कहेंगे लोग, सबसे बड़ा रोग. So this sentence को आप इस कोट को आप याद रखिए when you are unable to speak in front of the people. Okay, be continue and have a good day. Have faith in yourself. Just believe in yourself. We will meet in another specific video. Have a good day. Bye bye.